In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use virtual avatars on Zoom. If you've ever wanted to show up to a meeting without turning on your real camera, or you just want to add a little personality while keeping things professional, Zoom's virtual avatars are a fun, polished way to do it. They mirror your facial expressions and head movements, so it still feels natural and engaging for everyone on the call. Start with your Zoom meeting open. Look at the bottom toolbar for the video button. Right next to it is a small caret, the little upward pointing arrow. Click that caret to open the quick video menu. From there, choose Video and Effects Settings. This opens a separate window where all your camera and visual options live, so you can make changes without leaving the call. Inside the Settings window, find the Avatars tab. Depending on your Zoom version, it may sit alongside backgrounds, filters, and other effects. If you don't immediately see avatars, it usually means your app version or device doesn't support the feature yet. When the tab is available, click it to reveal your options. Here, you have two paths. You can pick from ready-made animal avatars for a quick, playful choice, or you can click the plus icon to create your own personal virtual avatar. The custom route lets you tailor details like hairstyle, skin tone, facial features, and accessories so it feels like you. Take a moment to preview how each choice looks and aim for something that fits your meeting style. Friendly, clear, and not too distracting. A simple look typically reads best on screen, especially if you're presenting or meeting with clients. Once you find or build the avatar you like, just select it. That's it. Your avatar immediately replaces your live camera feed for everyone on the call. As you speak and move, it will animate in real time, offering a polished presence even when you don't want to show your actual video. If your environment is busy or you're working from a place with less than ideal lighting, this is an easy way to maintain a consistent professional look. Keep in mind that your audio still matters. Speak clearly and at a steady pace so your avatar's expressions match your voice naturally. Also, if you're sharing slides or demoing something, the avatar continues to display in your video tile while you present, helping maintain that personal connection. And that's all. With a few clicks, you can enable a virtual avatar on Zoom, customize it to your style, and stay present in meetings. No camera stress required.